Day 21 of the month of May. Obviously, I'm in a little bit better mood at the moment. I did just recording the intro to the video after the fact of everything's already been done. It is what it is. I meant to do this earlier, but I forgot because, you know, I'm a YouTuber. Not really, but I'm trying to be. Anyway, so today I went to my buddy Dan's to get my manifold welded with the little extension piece. Piece of stainless steel, 2.5 inches, to some cast steel. I don't think it's cast iron, at least he said it wasn't. But regardless, he welded the two pieces up. I fitted up, as you saw in my last videos. So he glued it together, and what an amazing job he did. I mean, I couldn't have done this, obviously. I mean, you've seen my welding too. So anyway, as you can see, it is pieced together. I got to cut this down, do some other things, get you some close-up shots here, but it is welded together pretty good. Actually pretty excellent in my opinion, and I am extremely happy. Plus, I also recorded the drive as a hyperlapse with my new camera, so it only took me 4 minutes to get there. I am going to splice up the drive into little pieces, just so you don't have to endure the whole 4 minutes of boring driving video. It's a 2-hour drive in 4 minutes, I think I said. So anyway, gonna put that here. And I will now show you his awesomeness. I mean, it probably helped that I fit it up so nicely. But yeah, it's all glued nicely together. I got no complaints. I think it'll be perfect. This is pretty much exactly what I needed. Now that this is done, I can start piecing together the rest of the pieces for the header for the turbo, which I will put on right now. All right, so now there's the little piece on my little mock-up piece. So now what's going to end up happening is from here it's going to transition into the merge, and I'm just going to make this happen. Obviously not right now. It's going to take me a few days to get this piece together and cut up, but when that's done, that will fit right there. I just hope everything aligns. Maybe I should actually take it off of there and put it in there. Hold on. All right, so there's the manifold in the car. And let's see, where's a good, I can't even find a good spot to record here. So let's put this underneath, because, you know, I should have thought of this before. Anyway, so this still needs to get cut off, obviously, and I think this fits up perfect. The angle is right. It clears the air conditioning. Everything is good here. In my opinion, this couldn't have turned out any better than I could have asked for. Alright, I pushed the wrong button. Such an amateur YouTuber. I mean, I'm actually re-recording this video because the first time I took it, I recorded it in slow motion because that's how smart this guy is. So, yeah, so that piece is welded up nicely. Can't all remember what I had said in the other video, but I am ecstatic. I spent the afternoon at Dan's watching him weld, talking, chatting, shooting the shit about everything. So I recorded some things which I will insert into this video as well. Light up the entire picture.
Yeah, I'm just going to throw a couple more tacks on here.
Well, here's the start. Better than nothing. That gap there was probably the largest.
Turned out all right. I'll probably go over these thicker spots with another bead over top of there. It's turning out all right though.
Much better than I could do. At least right now, anyway.
Right now, you'll learn. Well, I got it this way. I'm just going to put another bead on both of these.
And some still pictures of the welds as we went along. But yeah, I couldn't be more happy. I still have not a long way to go, but long enough for the amateur that I am. So it is what it is. And video 20, day 21, because again, I didn't shoot one day. But I've got all week. Today is Saturday. Tomorrow I am going to get to work on this, on the manifold. Friday and Saturday, I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet because I leave Friday, so I can put out a video before I leave on Friday. I'm only working a half day. But Saturday's video, I might have to upload from the Dominican because that's where we're going on vacation for a week. we'll see what happens. I don't pre-record my videos, especially not this month, but obviously I will be for the next little bit. I'm going to try to post every couple of weeks or every week if I can. I'm going to try not to say too much like I am, but who knows? Day 21, month of meh. It's been an adventure so far, and I'm hoping that I get some work done tomorrow, that it really starts turning into something, and I'm just waiting on some more parts to be able to finish up this crossover pipe as well, or before I can start up on the crossover pipe. But getting the passenger side finished is goal for now. So till tomorrow, day 21, meh. Later.